Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play.
Get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Pointers in the paddock, ain't my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jeff for peace.
Drop the data, now we plotting inside the peas.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian.
Push a P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president.
Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today y'all, we have a little different bit of an install. This wig is going to be a synthetic wig. So this is not my regular human hair wig, so I'm really excited about this install. Wig is from Gorgius, so thank you to Gorgius for sponsoring today's video. I haven't installed a synthetic wig in a really long time. This install should be really exciting. Like, I'm excited for this install. You guys already seen the wig straight out of the box. You guys seen the curls are real flow. So I will have all the information to this wig, like always, in my description box down below. One of the first things that I noticed about this wig is the highlights, y'all. So you can't put too much heat on this wig because you will burn the hair. That's like the only bad thing with synthetic wigs. And hopefully, I know a lot of times too, synthetic wigs can be really frizzy. Flyaways can be a little crazy. So hopefully I don't have that problem with this wig. So we're gonna see what happens. I guess this is like a L-part lace. I'm not really sure. I'm not really a big fan of these types of lace. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Me personally, it's not one of my favorite lace styles. I typically prefer frontals. Even with synthetic wigs, I would prefer a frontal, but I guess this is all they had on their website. So we're gonna see how it looks, what it's giving. It has two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and y'all can see the parting space as well. First thing we're gonna do is put some makeup on the little bit of lace that we do have on this wig. Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade 330. I'm just gonna put this on the little bit of lace that we do have. Okay, so this is what it's giving so far, as y'all can see, and I feel like the wig might be a little bit too small for my head. Like, see what I can do. So that's another thing I love about synthetic wigs, is you really don't have to do too much styling. They already come with like all the curls and stuff and whatnot.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian.
Push a P.
Push a P. On capital P, I
All right, so next step is I'm gonna cut off this lace.
mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy. Bitch, I'm pushing P.
Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I push a P.
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 Yeah. Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
All right, so I'm actually gonna put a little bit of makeup on my wig cap.
Can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push a P.
push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Touch it, bunch of P.
Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push a P.
I just fucked a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. I'ma P you out your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, nigga try to sort it. I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Pointers in the paddock, ain't my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jeff for peace.
Drop the data, now we plotting inside the peas.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian.
Push a P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push a P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy. Bitch, I'm pushing P.
Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I push a P.
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 Yeah. Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Pop a P. I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push a P.
push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Touch it, Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push a P.
I just fucked a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cards. I'ma P you out your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets for me, no question. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, nigga try to sort it. I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P. P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at cross spot. Jeff for peas.
Drop the data, now we plotting. Exotic peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian.
Alright you guys, so that was everything for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed, and yes y'all, this is a synthetic wig, so just keep in mind that this wig is and might tangle, and you are going to get some shedding as well, because like I said, this is a synthetic wig. I know it may look human hair, but it is a synthetic wig, but it's giving, y'all. Like, can we just look at these highlights? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Just for fun, are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
Get to know.